Hello everyone, I am Mark Love Williamson and I'm your instructor for Humanities 2110. And I'm here to just give you a brief introduction and tell you what you should be looking at for your first week of Humanities class. So first of all, every week there will be an announcement which will tell you what's due that week and give you reminders for outstanding assignments or some of the longer term projects that you will need to do. So pay attention to the announcements each week. They will be the first thing you will see when you log into Brightspace, so don't tell me you didn't see it. It meant you didn't read it, but it was there. So, and sometimes I will put in a video like this into the announcement as well, just to kind of keep in touch. So what's due this week and what should you be looking at? What you should be looking at is that when you go into the course shell, go to Overview and Syllabus, and there's a longer video there that tells you a little bit more about navigating on Brightspace and some of the peculiar aspects of my own courses that you should look for, like the announcements and things like that. So watch that video right off and then take some time and look at the syllabus. So open the syllabus. It's a Google Doc. I will be making some changes to the syllabus in the coming days, but that's not a worry right this moment. But just so you know, that means that you should check back with the syllabus periodically and make sure that the dates and the assignments are all the same. I will also let you know when I make changes in the announcements, okay? But don't just rely on your first look of the syllabus. So go look at the syllabus and then take the syllabus quiz. So the syllabus quiz you can take twice, and you have plenty of time to do it. Have your syllabus open. I don't expect you to memorize a 12-page syllabus, so have your syllabus open and answer the questions. Be aware that question 6 on the syllabus quiz, the computer will probably not recognize what you put in and will mark it wrong. So don't feel that, that you're doing poor work. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and grade every quiz, and I will do this not just for the syllabus quiz but for every quiz in this course, because there's a lot of instances where the computer doesn't get things right. You know, when there's a fill in the blank or an essay question or something like that, the computer cannot recognize all those answers. So I go back and make sure that everything is graded properly, and I will adjust your score. All right, so go to Overview and Syllabus, read the syllabus, take the syllabus quiz, then go to the discussion board and do the introductions. I encourage you to log on several times a week to this course. And so you might want to do a discussion post and then go back in a few days and read other students' posts as well. So part of your score is to not only do your own post, but to read and respond to other students. And that will be true of every single discussion. So you will only get partial credit if you just post but you never respond to anyone else. So I also want people to interact, and I want to know that you are actually reading other students' work and you're thinking about it, because that's part of the way you learn, is seeing these ideas from different perspectives and seeing them multiple times. The third thing that will be due in the first week is the Humanities assignment. In Module 1, you will see a link to the discussions and to the Humanities assignment. And open the assignment. You may submit as many times as you want. To do the assignment, you'll have to open a couple of web pages and read them, and then answer some questions. So it's kind of a reflection paper about what are the humanities, what am I teaching, what are you here for? I don't know. That's up to you to tell me why we're here and what the goal is. Okay, so do the humanities assignment. That's worth 20 points. You can turn it in as many times as you want. So if you make an error or you decide that you could improve, just go back and make another submission. All three of those, syllabus quiz, first discussion, and humanities assignment, will be due on January 17th. That's 1 week from when this video goes live. January 17th at 11:59 p.m. In general, you will have 8 days to do your assignments. Some assignments you will have longer. If your assignment or your quiz, if the date is wrong and you get less than 8 days, I will adjust it, okay? Except for a couple of special cases. So just be aware that that you will have plenty of time to do your assignments and discussions and quizzes. All right. What else is going on? So that's for week 1. In addition, module 2 will open by about midweek, and you can start working on module 2 because that's when we really start working on content for the humanities. I just want everyone to know that this is the first time this course has been taught fully online, and so I'm still doing a little bit of building and moving around furniture and stuff like that. So if you look at the grade book or you look at the syllabus, there might be some things there that don't make sense these first few days. Just be aware that I'm still getting all the modules installed and all the different units put together. But by the end of the week, it should look like a regular Brightspace course, and everything should be available for you. All right. So I look forward to seeing you around and meeting you, and thanks for listening. We're going to have a great semester.